everybody, it's Ellen. So I wanted to show you what happens when you get appointments on your side. So I will do most of the scheduling and changes, and you'll get these emails and they'll tell you when the sessions are scheduled. Sometimes if I schedule a bunch in advance, like every week, you'll see like a bunch of them, like all 8 of them at one time. So look out for that. You can add them to whatever calendar that you use. That's probably the best so that you can see them. But if you need to go in and cancel your appointment, you can hit this button, and then it also allows you to check out if you didn't add it to your calendar. You can go back and look here. I would much prefer to be in charge of any rescheduling. Oops. Just because I am notorious for forgetting to block things out, and then I accidentally leave it open and then somebody schedules. So if you are interested in rescheduling, I would much prefer you reach out to me. So I can cancel this or reschedule this. Here it allows me to register for an account, and so I'll agree to the terms of service and I will sign up here. If I have an account, then it'll tell me when my upcoming appointments are. So that's how you can get your account and be able to see your upcoming appointments. So then if I hit cancel, it says, hey, cancel appointment. And so then now it says that this was canceled. I could try to reschedule, but like I said, if I reschedule, if you reschedule, there's chances are I'm going to text you and be like, I don't know if I could do that. So if you're looking to reschedule, give me a holler. But otherwise, I just wanted to show you how to put this on your calendars and know when your next appointments are. Okay, I hope it's helpful. Give me a holler if you need any help otherwise. Thanks.